So this video is about how to bypass any site blocker. Like, as an example in the title, this can bypass securely, which is used in a lot of schools. It can bypass a lot of site blockers. First, what you will need is a Replit account. You need to go to repl.it and create an account from there if you want this to work. I will also be making my own project. I'm not quite sure if that requires a Replit account or not, but I would recommend making one anyway. It will be very useful, especially if you are a programmer and want to make projects on here. So first what you need to do is, since this is obviously kind of a Python tutorial, you will need to make a Python project. You can do that by going under the Create menu and just clicking the Python button. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Securely Bypasser, because why not? And then you just hit the Create button. Now, first what you need to do is import the OS library. This is because Replit's virtual machines runs a version of Linux called Ubuntu. And Ubuntu is also run on a server, therefore bypassing all of Securely or any site blockers restrictions. So then what you need to do is run a system command. You do that by going os.system, and then in the string import your command. We want to run a browser on here, because the browser, like I said before, will be run on the server. Therefore, Securely can't block it. Now, obviously, we have to wait for this to load. It takes a while because Replit servers have to start up. It's a whole different server, and we have a whole browser straight from your computer. Like, it's a virtual machine on your computer, and Securely can't control it because it's rendered on Replit server. Only the graphics and the inputs are being sent to and from the server. So, like, Securely can't monitor the packets you're sending to the server because this is essentially a proxy or a VPN. Like, this can run Reddit, this can run Discord, this can run Roblox. I know a lot of my subscribers like Roblox, so it can run Roblox, it can run almost everything. Now, the catch is that because this is a Linux operating system, most download links won't work because they are only for Windows and sometimes Mac OS. But because this is Ubuntu, everything is done via commands, so I think you have to run a bunch of commands in order to run it. But there we go, we have a whole browser straight in a website, and Replit, it'll be very hard to block Replit because a lot of schools use this for education. I know personally in my programming class, they use Replit every day. Anyway, if you guys like this tutorial, please feel free to let me know if you want any more of these programming tutorials. I will be making the link to this code public. Not only can you run the code from here, but if you want to make your own version of it, like an example, like School District Blacklist Just a Project, it's just 2 lines of code. Import OS, and then os.system, and then in brackets and in quotations, Firefox. This runs the Firefox browser. Anyway, thank you for watching. Everybody says to like and subscribe. I personally don't care at all, and have a good day.